other. Trust that.
I do trust my family.
No. Trust us the way we trust you. Remember the first time you unlocked your power?
I caught Leo when he fell.
Trust us.
Raph, it's gonna be okay. We'll figure this out.
I know. Because I'm not alone. None of us are.
We're here for each other. Always.